talking about today we are talking about Boeing stock. Boeing um, as we say as I said before about Boeing, which was a very certain down move, and it came from its high prices till we make a bottom in about 130 price. Then he tries to go up, and Boeing is still in a critical prices. We can see here in the in this chart that Boeing move. He must do two things to go up again. First thing, he must go up with big volume and break this resistance, which is 150. So if Boeing will go up, he must break this price 150 with a big volume and make the price up than this, like 180 or 100 or 200, whatever, but it must go far from this narrow region, which Boeing moving up and down in this region, which is 150 on the up and 120 on the down. It's a historical chart, which the prices will be different in the monthly and weekly, but this is the region. When the chart, this is a chart, and Boeing stock goes up more than this level 150, and it becomes here, for example, this, then we will say it will return to moving up strongly, and this is the first thing he must do. He must break this point 150 with a big volume. And the second thing, he must never break this support point, which is 140. He must never break this support when he makes its move for this chart. As I said, it's a historical chart, which will be different in the monthly, weekly charts. These prices will change, but this is for this chart. So Boeing, if he wants to go up for this region, medium, short, medium, long term, you must do these two things. break 150 and not break 150, which is his resistance, and not break 100, about 104 his support. And if he did not make these two things, we can see Boeing stock moving more down to this level 75 and maybe more. If he didn't go out of this, he must break this region, which is 150 as a resistance, one and one about 200, and the support point. He must go up very far from this region and break this resistance 150 in this chart, so he can go up again for his past prices. And if he can do this, he will return down to this support, which is 104, and if he break it, he will go here about 70, about 75, 70 bucks. So we must keep looking for Boeing stock. He must, it's not a buy or sell call, but it's still in a very dangerous region, which making Boeing still in his negative move till he do something or he break this region or break this price. So we can wait and see, and thank you for listening, and good luck for everybody, and goodbye.